Kapalabhati Kriya, the cleansing breath, a guided practice. Welcome to the practice session. Before we begin, remember the precautions we discussed. Please avoid this practice if you have high blood pressure, heart issues, or are pregnant. Now settle into your meditative posture, cross-legged, kneeling, or even a chair, as long as your spine is perfectly straight and vertical. Close your eyes gently. Relax your shoulders and face. Inhalation and exhalation are both done through your nose. Bring your awareness to your abdomen. Remember, the exhalation is active and forceful. The inhalation is passive and automatic. Let's take one deep, cleansing breath together. Inhale fully and exhale completely. We will start slowly, aiming for a gentle rhythm, about 20 strokes per minute. This allows you to feel the correct mechanism. Ready? Exhale forcefully, hup. Inhale passively, exhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale. Feel your abdominal wall snapping back and forth. Keep your spine still, your neck relaxed. Focus only on the powerful out-breath. Hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale, hup. Inhale. Now let's pick up the pace and practice for 1 full minute. Maintain that effortless passive inhale. Faster now. Hup, 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 hup. Let the rhythm take over. Expel that stale air and mental clutter with every push. Don't strain. If you feel dizzy, slow down or stop. Hup, 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 hup. 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 10 seconds left. Push all the way to the end. And stop. Do nothing. Let your breath completely return to normal. Observe the stillness. You may experience a moment of automatic suspension of breath. This is the state of Kavala Kambaka, a profound silence where the urge to breathe disappears. Enjoy this deep rest and freshness. Feel the invigoration in your brain. Feel the calm in your chest. Slowly and gently open your eyes. To deepen the benefits, you can practice 2 to 3 rounds, resting fully between each one. With regular practice, you can increase the duration and the stroke rate up to 120 per minute. Keep shining. Namaste.